Oh, what is this?
It's called microscope.
Can you give me more information about that?
Yeah, why not? A microscope is a laboratory instrument used to examine objects that are too small to be seen by the naked eye. Microscopic means being invisible to the eye unless aided by a microscope. Microscopy is the science of investigating small objects and structures using a microscope.
How did microscope help us to see small objects?
Basically, the image of an object passes through at least one lens. This lens bends towards the light and the image appears larger than it actually is.
Wow, who invented this amazing instrument?
It's not clear who invented the first microscope, but the Dutch spectacle maker Zetira Janssen is credited with making one of the earliest compound microscopes around 1600 AD.
Can you explain me the parts of microscope?
Yeah, why not? There are three structural parts of microscope. Number one is head, number two is base, number three are organs. Head, it's also known as the body of microscope. Base, it supports the microscope. Organs, it connects base and head.
And what about these parts?
These are the optical parts of the microscope which we use to see and magnify an image.
Can you elaborate me clearly?
Yeah, why not? This is called eyepiece. This one is called stage. This is stage clip. This is aperture. This one is objective lens. This is nose piece. This one is coarse adjustment knob. This is fine adjustment knob. This one is illuminator. This one is diaphragm.
Oh, thank you for giving me this valuable information. Okay, let's move. And what comes next?
Okay. Oh, what is this?
I know about that.
Really?
Yeah, this is called a telescope.
Can you give me more information about this?
Yeah, why not? A telescope is an optical instrument using lenses, curved mirrors, or a combination of both to observe distant objects.
What's telescope used for?
A telescope is a tool that astronomers use to see faraway objects like moon, star, etc.
Who invented this amazing instrument?
Telescope is invented by Galileo Galilei, who was a part of small group of astronomers. In 1609, he had heard about the Dutch protective glasses and within days, he designed one of his own.
Okay, can you give me information of telescopic parts?
Why not? It's my pleasure. I am going to tell you the names of telescope. First of all, necessary part of telescope is lenses. In most refracting telescope have two lenses. First one is objective lens, second one is eyepiece lens. The objective lens is bigger than eyepiece lens. Objective lens is convex while the eyepiece lens is concave. Second part is mirror inside the telescopic tube. Third part is tripod, also known as structural support. Fourth important part of telescope is eyepiece. Eyepiece is the part of any telescope by which we can see our specific object. Fifth part of telescope is telescopic tube.
Thank you for giving me this valuable information. But it was all about physics. Let's move towards chemistry.
Okay, let's gather and give some information about chemical reaction.
Okay, let's see what comes the next.
Oh, I think it's nitric acid.
You are right. Its chemical formula is HNO3.
Okay, but what are we going to do with it?
We are going to see the reaction between copper and nitric acid.
Okay, let's do it and always explain it for me.
Okay, first of all, put the beaker and then this is most dangerous thing, and then carefully drop some of the nitric acids into the beaker carefully.
Why do you drop the nitric acid carefully?
Because it's very dangerous thing. And then throw some of the copper in it. Okay. And then quick this is the reaction between copper and nitric acid.
Which gas is produced?
This red is brown with nitrogen oxide. This is very dangerous for health.
Okay.
Okay.
But the gas is produced nitrogen dioxide. It's very harmful gas.
Okay.
Okay, so let's conclude. Now we conclude our project, but it was it was all the efforts of our science teacher who study as this project. Thanks, have a nice day.
And happy children.